In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove text without blur on video using CapCut. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the file with a text on your CapCut device. Now in here, go ahead and take a screenshot of this specific file and click on that screenshot to be able to resize that file or crop that file as required for you. So just go ahead and crop down that file to fit the specific image that you have for your video on CapCut. So just go ahead and meticulously crop the file as needed. After that, go ahead and click on the check button at the bottom right corner of your screen to be able to save the screenshot to your gallery. So just go ahead and click on that check button. After that, go ahead and head over to Google Play Store and search for Snap Edit. This application will help you remove that text from that photo to be able to add that to your CapCut project. So just go ahead and download Snap Edit on your device. Now once that is installed on your device, go ahead and open the application on your device. Now this will take you into their homepage, where as a new user, you'll be guided along the way with the specific features that you want to use on the application. So just go ahead and select remove objects from image and click on the next button to proceed with the next step. So start editing by clicking the start editing button. Now in here, go ahead and click on the remove objects button and select what applies for you in that area. And here, go ahead and open the project on your device and click on the manual tool to be able to snap erase or erase the text manually on your file without the help of AI. So just go ahead and cover all the areas that you want to remove and click on the remove button to remove that text from that photo. Now after you're done with this, what you can do is to click on the done button and click on the save button. As you can see in here, you can save without ads by subscribing with their Pro or save it watching ads. So if you're someone that wants to edit as much photos as they want without interruption, you can simply subscribe to their Pro plan. So head back to the CapCut application and reopen that file on your device. After that, you can proceed on editing that file without a text on your CapCut.